The latest generation Exoair system vehicle equipment, high performance and maximum security, reliability and guarantee in each of its components. The vehicle heating equipment is independent of the vehicle engine and can work independently, and thus is ideal for the cold seasons. The included manual details instructions and information about the unit's specific characteristics. Once the equipment is received, verify the contents of the box. These are the different components included in the kit. The equipment is first fixed on. The base screws are placed. The metal base is used to fix the heating equipment to the surface. Mark the base. The heating equipment is drilled and placed. The nuts are adjusted to the bolts and the connector cables are placed. Drill the hole for the inlet of hot air into the cabin. The flexible duct of the equipment is placed and secured, heating the vehicle's cabin. Connect the display, ensuring it is installed somewhere accessible to be managed by the remote control. The connection of the oil pump and its filter is then placed, which feed the heating equipment. Then connect the inlet and outlet pipes of the water to the heater. Test the display and measure the temperature of the air outlet to the cabin. Exoair system vehicle equipment, latest generation, high performance, and maximum security. Reliability and guarantee in each of its components.